Cancer, hi, welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for December 16 to 22, 2024. So if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paka-check na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. And of course, please subscribe to this channel to show your support. Like and share this video. Comment na rin kung kayo naka-resonate. Okay, let's see. Cancer, what's up? Energies for you this week, December 16 to 22. Series, nurture. Ayan, time to take care of yourself. Focusing on yourself. And your relationship. Ayan. So, maaring iba sa inyo, ini-improve nyo yung sarili nyo para sa relationship nyo rin sa iba. Kumbaga, hindi lang para sa sarili nyo, but also, you want to be someone na desirable for your partner. Okay? 'Di ba? Ganun naman. Gusto naman natin 'yan na tayo ay kaakit-akit sa ating partner. Kung may partner kayo. Or this can mean na yung iba sa inyo nag-aayos, nag-improve ng inyong sarili to look presentable, no? Sa mga makakausap nyo, sa mga makaka-deal ninyo sa negosyo or sa trabaho, 'di ba? Because first impressions last. 'Di ba? Okay. Let's see what else for Cancer this week. You have Judgment, Ace of Wands, Knave of Coins. Some of you meron bagong career, business na sinisimulan ngayon. You are really very maingat, no, sa pagmamanage ng finances mo. I think you have learned a lot from your past experiences na may mga iba sa inyo meron kayong bad decisions pagdating sa pag-handle ng finances nyo or sa pagpili ng mga pagtutuunan nyo ng attention ninyo. And now, things are changing. Maaring ngayon, you are inspired to be more productive. Mas inspired ka ngayong week na to na magtrabaho, mag-focus sa goals mo. And you are reassessing also your situation. Kung ano pa yung pwede mong magawa. Kung ano pa yung pwede mong resources na magamit mo para mas mapaunlad mo yung sarili mo. I think there's also a major spiritual awakening that is happening sa inyo. You have a lot of realizations from your past mistakes, yung mga decisions ninyo, and now you are becoming more confident, no? Dahil nare-realize mo na ito yung galing ko, ito yung talino ko, ito yung kakayanan ko, at alam ko na marami akong pwedeng ma-achieve. Ganon. So, you are also doing some affirmations para sa sarili mo na yun yung ifa-follow mo, mga mantra, ganyan, or a belief system na fina-follow mo. So, I think you're also reinventing yourself, no, with a Judgment card here. Reinventing in different ways, no? Pwedeng physical self mo. May binabago ka sa iyong looks, or the way you carry yourself, yung branding mo kung may business ka. You have learned from your past kasi, so alam mo na kung ano yung i-let go mo at alam mo na kung ano yung gagamitin mo para magpatuloy, no? Kumbaga, you have matured enough, no? From the time na nagsimula kang mag-explore about yourself. So now, there is a new beginning for you. This can be a new business, a new career na pinupursue mo, or a new project. And I see you na you're becoming more passionate about dun sa sa career path mo or sa mga decisions mo sa buhay mo. Dahil alam mo na ikaw ay sapat, ikaw ay may kakayanan. So what is the Judgment card? You have the Four of Swords. Yes, you're healing as well. Kasi alam mo nga na meron kang nagawang mga decisions in life na yung iba pinagsisihan nyo, yung iba naman na natutunan nyo na yung lesson. So, you are now moving forward. What is the Ace of Wands? The King of Cups. I feel like you are loving yourself more. You are taking care of yourself more. Eight of Coins. Wow, sobrang focus kayo ngayon sa trabaho, sa career ninyo. Cancer, yung iba may mga pinag-aaralan kayo ngayon. May mga trainings or self-study, research para mas mapabuti nyo yung inyong skills. You have the Ace of Swords. So, some of you, kung meron kayong kailangang solusyonan na problema, meron ng solusyon, ma-resolve nyo to this week, magagawa nyo ng paraan. This can be related to your money, finances, or sa pag-aaral. You have the 8th house, so business ito, no? Maaring sa business. What is the Magician? You have the Strength card and the 8 of Swords. I feel like you are stepping into your own power. You are breaking free from the limitations. So, pwede kasing may mga bagay na pumipigil sa'yo na gawin, i-explore. Let's say you want to try a business or you want to do this project, start this project, pero nag-aalangan ka kasi akala mo hindi mo kaya. But now, you have gained confidence. Oo, mas confident ka na ngayon to see, to explore, to expand your horizon. Uy, may acquisition dito. Second house. Some of you mag-acquire ng skills, knowledge, no? Yung iba naman, this can mean acquiring of a property, no? Kagamitan. Pwedeng may magsha-shopping yung iba sa inyo. You have Mercury in Taurus in the second house. Saturn in 8th house. Oh, okay. I think merong offer. I see an offer or an opportunity for you to start a business or an investment, isang investment, pero hindi ka pa sigurado kung papasukin mo to. So ngayon, pinag-iisipan mo yan, pinag-aaralan mo. And eventually, I think ayan yung magagawan mo ng solusyon. Eventually, makakapili ka ng best na decision for that. Some of you mag-aasikaso kayo ng mana, inheritance. Ito naman kasing mana, pwede tong yung tipong bahay at lupa ng mga magulang mo na kailangan mong ayusin, asikasubuhin para sa mga kapatid mo at para na rin sa'yo. So, hindi naman kailangan dito na may nawala na, no? 'Di ba? So pwedeng ikaw yung pag-aasikasuhin ng mga lupa, bahay, ari-arian ng parents mo. Courage, you are being tested. Have faith and stand in your truth. Ayan, so kung may challenges man na dumating sa'yo, tinetest ka ng universe kung gaano katatag yung paniniwala at tiwala mo sa sarili mo. At of course, sa universe, kay God, no? Ano man yung fina-follow nyong religion. Access Earth's inner wisdom. So, this week, marami kang realization about life na masasabi mong mas nag-grow ka as a person, mas na-develop ka. Okay? So, it seems that there is a character development sa'yo base sa mga experiences mo, base sa mga pinagdaanan mo. That's why meron ditong rebirth. It's a brand new you. Okay? So, that is your reading, Cancer. Thank you so much. Bye.